This is my KlX 140, and it's been bogging lately, so let's see if we can fix it. First thing we're going to do is look at the spark plug. Got the spark plug pulled, and overall it's not looking too bad, so let's put it on and check the gas. Tighten up the spark plug, and put the cap back on. To check the gas, we're going to have to take most of the plastics off, so I'll get to that. Most of these bolts are 8mm, and there's 2 on each plastic. 1, 2, 3, and the 4th one, the plastic broke off. I have to take out that 1 bolt, and I'm going to be able to access the 2 bolts under the seat. Now able to get to the bolts on each side of the seat. I got the screws off. We need to unhook this, unscrew the gas cap, and this should come off. I got the gas all drained out, and now I don't have any good gas around, so I'm going to check the bulb on the carburetor and see if there's any water. I wasn't able to get the bulb off today. It's getting dark here, so we'll see you in the next video.